If you're in the wedding invitation designer business and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to create a website for your business. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for people with small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed, so make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So, I'm going to go ahead and search for my market here at the top, wedding invitation designer. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's go ahead and put in our company name as well as our city and our state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. I'm now going to go ahead and change the type of business to service. Click on continue. Let Mighty Sites create a simple website for my business with the information I've just put in. And look at that. It's literally generated a whole website for me in not even a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase of all the beautiful wedding invites you've designed. Maybe make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any sort of website coding or be a web professional in any way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. First thing I'm going to put in is my email address. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure my email address is visible on my website. So I'm actually going to go ahead and tick the box that says show email on site. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, maybe you have a virtual business, maybe strictly online, you don't have a physical location. So you can leave that off. But if you do have a physical location, pop it in over here. Great thing about it is when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links, let's go ahead and put in your various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your Mighty Sites website. For the next section, if you have a logo, go ahead and upload it over here for your business. Once the logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil over the logo. You can make slight amendments so that you can crop it, rotate it, add filters, frames. Over here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller to suit your needs. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors. If you want to go ahead and change them, no color coding needed. Go ahead and click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available. There's so many to choose from. And there's bound to be one that's suitable for your business. We are adding more color palettes every single week as well. Excellent. That looks stunning. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section. You can head on over to Update Image first. Over here is where you can browse your device to upload own images, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, and you can play around with those keywords a little bit and just see what images pop up that are suitable for your business. If you head on over back to photo options, you actually now have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. Once you've connected your account, you can actually pull in all your Instagram photos instead of uploading them all individually. Saves you a lot of time, and you literally just have to connect your Instagram account, will automatically pull in all those images. And update action is where you can change those buttons, the text on the buttons, and where the various buttons link to, including a PDF file. You have the option to do that. Great option to upload maybe your rates and various other designs you have done. And update contents is obviously where you can update that content that was pre-written for you as a guideline for each section. Now, in the last section, if your customers want to reach out to you, this is the lead generation form. All they need to do is put in their details, click on send, and Marty Sites will allow you to keep track of all those leads in your Marty dashboard. You'll also get notified via your registered email you have a new lead from this form. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the button at the bottom, connect your domain to set it up. If you need to purchase a custom domain to make your website look even more personalized, click on the green button. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your wedding invitation business. If you have any questions or concerns, or you'd like to see more features added to our platform, all you need to do is comment below. Let us know. We'd absolutely love to hear your feedback. Really wishing you and your business, Marty, success.